Hello, my lovelies. Jan of Jan Hicks Creates here, coming at you today with something a little bit different. This is not a full floss tube. I am just sharing with you today an exclusive design that I did in coordination with Maggie's on Main here in Idaho. Maggie's on Main is located over in the western side of the state. They are a little bit north of Boise in a town called Emmet. I have not been there yet. It is on my bucket list, but Maggie and I have been working on and off together for a couple of months now to pull all this together. Had all kinds of different ideas. Finally got sorted and came up with one called Mom, So Much Love and Mother's Day Design. And I, of course, am very happy with this. So like so many of my designs, it did start with the saying. I came across this probably on Pinterest someplace, and it just grew from there. This is designed in overdyed flosses. There is, as always, a DMC conversion. I provide a DMC conversion in all of my charts, and this is exclusive to Maggie's for a year, so it won't be available outside of that store until next April. I had just so much fun pulling out the borders to use in the heart and creating that flower border on the bottom, picking the colors that really spoke to me, and then putting it together. This is stitched on 28 count white Lugana with the overdyed flosses, of course, and it is mounted, as you can see, on a cutting board. I picked this cutting board up at just a local, it's like a furniture consignment, refinished furniture store that I frequent quite often. And I saw this cutting board and thought it would be perfect. I love kind of the etched border around it. So yeah, I actually just mounted the fabric. I just wrapped the fabric around the board, glued it on the back with hot glue, mounted the stitched piece on press board, on sticky board, put some trim around it, put the little flower with a little glitter heart that I found in the scrapbooking section of Michael's, and there you have it. Okay, so like I said, it is stitched on 28 count. The stitch count is 107 by 99. So the finished size on this count of fabric was around, I think, 8 by 8.5. 8.5 by 8, somewhere around in there. So it does finish to a fairly bigger piece, perfect for framing and giving to your mother figure. Maggie actually had someone there stitch it for her, and she finished hers as a pillow. Let me show you that. So that is it finished as a pillow. And again, stitched on a 28 count white Lugana with the called for flosses. I have to say, my favorite floss in this is the one I used for the border here and for the dark blue coming across here and a little bit down here. It's called Father's Day. I can't remember whether it's Weeks Dye Works or Classic Color Works, but it's called Father's Day. But it's a gorgeous blend movement of blues, and I absolutely love it. Gorgeous floss. So, how can you get this? You can get this from Maggie's. I am going to be putting 2 links down in the description box. One will be for the chart pack. Not the chart pack. It will be for the chart, the fabric, and the floss. So if you want that, that is $32.50. And then she has another kit that is chart, fabric, floss, and the fabric that she used to make it into a pillow. So that blue mounting fabric, basically. And that is $38.50. Now at this point, I do not believe she has an option for just the chart as far as like providing me a link to share with you. But if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and give her a call. I'll provide, call or email, I'll provide that information below as well so you can get in touch with her. As I said, I also provided a DMC conversion in my chart. So yeah, it is now available at Maggie's on Main. I hope you're as thrilled with it as I am. I think it turned out so pretty. Perfect for the moms in your life, the mother figures, somebody you want to honor. You could even do it without the words and make it more of just a generic stitched piece for anybody that you'd want to show some love to. So that is all for me today. I will be back probably not till Wednesday with a full Flosstube. Tomorrow I have my first physical therapy appointment for my back. So I really won't have time until Wednesday to sit down and do a video, and this is going to be a long one. I have so much to share with you. Finished framed pieces, what I'm stitching on, haul, my experience at the Silver Needle, so much to share with you. So stay tuned until Wednesday for my regular Flosstube, but this is all for me today. I hope you love this, and let me know what you think. You know I always am happy to hear from you guys. So until Wednesday, take care, know that I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.